This is not merely the creation of a car, it is a story of passion, dedication, and perfection. The Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail begins its journey long before any metal is welded or any part is fitted. It starts with a vision, a dream to craft a car that is not just driven, but experienced, admired, and remembered. In a pristine workshop, far from the distractions of the outside world, expert engineers carefully select the finest metals, carbon fiber, and rare wood sourced from around the world. Each material is inspected, measured, and tested for absolute perfection. Every curve, every angle, every layer is chosen with the utmost precision. Robotic arms move gracefully, shaping the foundation of the chassis, while skilled human hands guide, weld, and perfect every joint. Sparks fly as the framework begins to take shape, strong, elegant, and balanced, carrying the promise of ultimate performance. The chassis, the very soul of this car, emerges piece by piece. Every weld is inspected. Every measurement is verified. Engineers work side by side with master technicians to ensure that the foundation of the Droptail is flawless. It must bear the weight of innovation, luxury, and precision without compromise. The suspension system is installed with careful calibration. Brake discs are fitted with precision to guarantee flawless stopping power. The steering mechanism is aligned to perfection. The body begins to take shape over this skeletal masterpiece. The heart of the Droptail is the legendary Rolls-Royce V12 engine. Every piston, every crankshaft, every valve is meticulously assembled by hand. Engineers test, adjust, and refine every component to ensure unmatched smoothness and power. This engine does not roar for attention, it whispers authority, delivering strength with elegance. The engine is carefully mounted into the chassis, connecting perfectly with the transmission and suspension. Every fluid line, every electronic sensor is checked, ensuring the car performs like no other. Meanwhile, artisans begin transforming the interior into a sanctuary of luxury. Rare Black Sycamore wood is hand-carved, inspired by the beauty of a black rose. Every curve, every groove tells a story of dedication and timeless craftsmanship. Leather artisans stitch the seats using the finest hides, creating patterns that are both elegant and timeless. The dashboard is assembled, fitted with controls, screens, and ambient lighting that transforms the cabin into a private sanctuary. Every detail, from hand-stitched armrests to the smallest chrome accent, reflects absolute perfection. The body of the Droptail is sanded and prepared for its signature True Love red paint. Layer by layer, the paint is applied in a dust-free environment. Each layer is polished and inspected, producing a flawless, mirror-like finish. Chrome accents are fitted by hand, perfectly aligned, highlighting the flowing lines of the car. Finally, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy is mounted on the hood, a symbol of freedom, grace, and timeless elegance. Every stage of the car's creation is carefully monitored. Engineers test every mechanical system, inspecting the alignment of suspension, brakes, and the steering mechanism. The engine undergoes rigorous testing in specialized facilities to ensure unmatched performance. Nothing is overlooked, because perfection is the only standard. Once completed, the Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail is prepared for its final journey. The driver opens the door, steps inside, and is enveloped by luxury. The engine starts with a gentle hum, a sound that represents power in its purest, most refined form. The car moves forward, gliding effortlessly, a perfect blend of power, luxury, and precision. Every reflection on its perfectly polished surface tells a story of craftsmanship, precision, and artistry. As the car cruises on an open road, it is no longer just a machine. It is a living work of art, a testament to human ingenuity and dedication. Now we want to hear from you. Would you like to own a masterpiece like this someday? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey from raw materials to a finished masterpiece, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more stories about extraordinary cars. Every like, share, comment, and subscription helps us bring these experiences to life, allowing you to witness the most exclusive automobiles in the world.